How to post long videos on WhatsApp status. What is up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily post long videos on WhatsApp status. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. Now let us jump right into the video. The very first thing you want to do is open up your WhatsApp and make sure that you are logged into your account. And once you do so, all you have to do is head over to the updates tab at the bottom to upload a status. So as you can see, you have an option to upload your status. So just tap on it. Now from here, you can try to upload any video like this. So what you can try to do is simply tap on the video that you want to upload like this. And once you do that, as you can see, the video will be trimmed to automatically trimmed to 60 seconds. So WhatsApp will only allow you to upload 60 seconds of the video, and you can adjust which part of the video you want to upload. So for example, if I just upload the first 60 seconds of the video, like so. After you do that, you can try to part your videos into different parts. So just tap on your status again, tap on add. Now just select the same video like this, and you are gonna put the remaining part. So it was up to 60 seconds, so I'm just gonna trim it down to 59 or 60 seconds. And then on the 1 minute mark, I'm gonna start this new video. So now just tap on send again. Now your video will be divided into two parts and it will be uploaded completely. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found the tutorial helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.